Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video we will be checking out the Hot Wheels mainline Ferrari F40 Competizione, and this is number 63 out of 250, number 3 out of 5 from the Ferrari series. And by the way, this is the regular version of the Super Treasure Hunt that was out from the C case of 2026. This one, however, is the regular version in black. So we had the red version, we had the yellow version, which I have, red and yellow, but I haven't reviewed yet. We're just gonna skip to the black one first here. So I guess without further ado, let's open this up. So here it is, the Ferrari F40 in black. Quite a gorgeous model, I would say. Goes for quite a big price, of course, nowadays, since of course people are chasing Hot Wheels and Ferrari nowadays, since they renewed the contract now. Of course, Hot Wheels and Ferrari, many people really wanted their hands on the brand new series, of course, the Ferrari X Hot Wheels cars. And this is of course the same like none other, of course, the metallic black Ferrari F40. So the first release was in red, and then the second release was in yellow, and now we have it in black. A very nice color, I would say, choice. The car culture one, sorry, not the car culture, I mean the Super Treasure Hunt one from the C case is in black, but it's a Spectra Flame black. So with the rear rider tires, of course, this one is just the mainline one with the plastic tires. But overall, I like the color, like the standard details of the car. Since it's a mainline, it won't be that detailed, of course, but still very nice $1 model. A very good car to introduce, of course, in 2026 as well. We have seen it in 2025, but yeah, the hype brings up to 2026 as well, since it's a very famous car for, of course, F40 fans. A very nice looking car. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. These are hard to hit at the pegs, by the way. A car like this, the F40, is quite a hard car to get. So here we have the metallic black Ferrari F40. Very nice looking car in the metallic black paint job. So to start off from the side, we do have the 5-spoke silver rims. With this one, the plastic rims as well. We have the Ferrari logo on the side. You have a vent right here at the side as well. Ferrari logo, like I said just now. No side mirrors, by the way. Over on the front, you do have your headlight details, which are transparent. The Ferrari logo, the extended front splitter, which is plastic, by the way. And then you do have your hood scoop right there. Regular windshield tint, blacked out interior left-hand drive. Of course, an Italian car. A very nice one as well. Roof pretty clean. I love to see that. Here it is on the side. Very standard. Still really cool. You do have your rear window here as well, which shows the engine at the car of the car. Now here it is at the back with the massive rear spoiler, with the additional, of course, pillar right here in the middle to support it. You do have your, of course, rear lights as well, but not detailed, by the way. You have some vents at the back, you have your exhaust tips, and of course you do have your diffusers at the back, which is really nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at the base. So it is a plastic base, plastic black base. Ferrari F40 Competizione, made in Malaysia, 2025 metal. And yeah, basically that's it. Of course, you have your rivets, that you can drill in order for you to, I don't know, make the car have a different rims, I guess. Which is nice. So, quite a nice looking car, I would say myself. Haven't reviewed the red and yellow one yet, of course. But yeah, maybe I'm gonna review it soon, sooner than you think, because I have a lot of Hot Wheels that I'm quite eager to review actually, including a nice one. The next video features another Ferrari that many people really like, I'd say. But yeah, that's a very nice F40 from the C case. But yeah, there you have it. That's my Ferrari F40 Competizione review. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.